Hey everybody, I am Miss Peg. I want to let you know how you will be able to follow along with class if you're not at school. So this video is very briefly going to show you how to access the Google Classroom for your class. Okay, so let's get started. If you see here, I'm at Gmail. I have a screen shade up here just so that you're not going through and seeing all of my emails. And so what we're looking at is up here in the top right corner of the grid. You're going to click there and it's going to open up the Google Apps for you. When you open up these Google Apps, you'll see this Classroom. You click on Classroom and that's going to open up your Google Classroom site. Now I have a lot of different classrooms lined up, but you're going to look for the one that's for your class. So for an example, if you are in 7th period geometry, you will click in here. Here's the geometry stream. If you notice, we haven't had anything updated here since the beginning of the year, and now that we're done with Q1, we're going to start making very good use of Google Classroom. So I want to be sure you know how to get to it. Again, you're going to start at your inbox. You're going to go over to the grid in the top right. You're going to go down to Classroom, select Classroom, and it will bring you to the list that was here before. If you have any other classrooms set up, you'll see them. Otherwise, click on your link, click on your class, and you'll see a stream here. So once you're in the stream, why is this important to you? What do you even look for? So anything that's posted that's of importance, I'll post it here. Maybe each week I might make a post, hey, here's the topics we were working on or any work that's due. But if you look over here to the side, the class drive folder, if you click on there, you may not have access to everything I have access to, but you would be able to see some of the assignments that have been put up before. So if you're looking for an assignment to print out or follow along with, that's where you would find it. The assignment that I have here is about midpoint formula practice. So that's something I'll give a little example how to do in another video. Okay, so going back again, I'm going to exit out of that one, go back to my drive. So if I went up to this one, this is an assignment that talks about different ways to draw each of the following. This one is with angles, with vertex at point P. So all the classwork that we practice, you'll be able to see this here in Q2 this year. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at pegnl, P-E-G-G-N-L, at gm.sbac.edu. That's the school board website email if you need any help accessing the Google Classroom. Thanks for watching the overview, and I hope you find all your work easily.